Hey guys, it's me. I'm hauling for you these huge, well, this one huge box from Shoppers, and I have another bag. We went a little crazy there. I did. I hate it when people say we. Side note, I do it sometimes, and I think it's kind of annoying, and I hate it when other people do it. When we say we, as if you guys were there shopping with me. I wish you could have been, but it was just me. I'm responsible for this madness. Anyways, Shoppers had two incredible deals. One of them was $20 off of 50 coupon they just sent to people. It's like, what? Like $20 off of 50, that's 40% off? That's amazing. So that was one. So that was this little box right here. And then they had this code, which was 20 times the points. And for some reason it was stacking with their online code, which was 20 times the points if you spent a certain amount. So I got 40 times the points on these products, which essentially ended up, I think I spent about $220 with tax and everything all in, and I ended up with $160 in points back. So it was kind of like too good to say no. And I have, you know, I'll have a free makeup haul coming at some point soon because I have about $200 worth of points sitting there. So I'm so excited to share all this with you guys because there's so much stuff that I've been wanting for so long, and it was finally a perfect time to do it. This is from the Inkey List. This is a caffeine serum for under eye. Lisa told me about this. It's a very affordable skincare brand, very comparable to The Ordinary in pricing, and I'm hoping in quality. So this is the antioxidant derived from coffee that helps to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and prevent skin damage from free radicals. It says you can use it AM and PM, you can follow with a serum, and you can put a moisturizer over top. So it's more like an eye serum as opposed to an eye moisturizer, but I'm really excited to try that. I also got the Catrice Prime and Fine Smoothing Refiner, like pore filling primer. I returned the Tatcha one. I didn't get the hype on it. It didn't fill in my pores at all. I thought it was a little bit greasy. So I'm hoping that maybe this is actually what I wanted the Tatcha one to be. And I have a whole bunch of lip products here. I have 3 different glosses, all from different brands. So this is the NYX Candy Slick in Sugar Coated Kiss. This is, I say a lip gloss, but it's more, well, I guess it is kind of a lip gloss. It's a weird texture. It's kind of thick like a liquid lipstick, but super glossy. It has not the greatest scent in the world. This one is from Wet n Wild. It's also from that Hummingbird collection. You can see it has little hummingbirds on top. The packaging is so pretty, and the color I think is super pretty too. It's called Featherless. Yeah, it's very similar in color, but a little bit of a nicer glossy texture to that NYX one. And then this one is from Essence. It's the Water Kiss Glossy Lip Color. This is in the shade Mermaid Diaries. I like this packaging a lot. It's kind of compact, and this is a much thinner glossy texture, like very thin, but it feels super nice. I'm not sure about the smell on that one either, if I love it, but whatever, it's fine. And then this is the Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer. It says super volume with super fruits. So it has acai oil and mango butter in it. I'm gonna use this soon, so I'll just open it to see the brush. That's what the brush looks like. I haven't had the best luck with lash primers ever, but it was only $5. And then this is the Catrice 3D Glow Highlighter. This one is what I wanted the Fenty one to be. It's super intense. The Fenty What a Brat, there's the swatch, it's gorgeous. The Fenty What a Brat pink highlighter, the pink all disappeared off my face throughout the day, and all that was left was glitter. So I returned it. Like, I wanted to love it. It was gorgeous in the swatch, but it did not perform well on the face at all. But this looks like what I wanted that one to be like. I'm super excited for this. I don't know why. Like, I wasn't even looking for a sunscreen, but then I read this description online and it just seems so good. So this is the Reversa Anti-Spot SPF 30 Broad Spectrum Radiance Cream with vitamin C, Rumex extract, and glycolic acid. All the reviews on this were amazing. It says it has 4% AHA in it. The packaging looks really good on it too, like it's got a pump. So this is just a sunscreen, but I have noticed a lot of signs of aging lately, but one that I've noticed is for some reason I have these little like dark spots like right here. And I'm thinking maybe that's a spot that I miss when I put on sunscreen, because often I'll put on my sunscreen like this. So I'll do each side of my face, but maybe I'm missing like the middle of my forehead because I've started seeing these brown spots there. And anyway, I really want to get rid of them. And I thought this would be good because it says that it like gets rid of dark spots, and then you have your SPF 30 in it as well. And that was on sale, I can't remember, it was like 30% off or something like that. Here's the other mascara that I love, this mascara with the Essence, which is hilarious because the Essence one is $5, this one's like $42. And I did have one of these last year and I used it for so long and I loved it so much. And I was like, I had got it at Winners for $25, and I was like, I don't know if I can ever pay the piper and actually get it, but I had to. It's the Chanel Volume de Chanel, guys. Like, this is one of the best mascaras I've ever tried, and if it like, I can stretch this past 3 months. I have never had an issue doing that if I wanted to with a mascara. I've never had any eye infections, knock on wood. But anyway, I think I used it for 6 months last year, and for that price, I think I can do it. But I love it. It's so volumizing. It's so black. And that's why I love it with the Essence one, because that one has fibers and you get the length, and this one is so volumizing, you get the volume, and they just work so well together. So anyway, I'm so happy to have this again. So this was $50 at Christmas, and it was on clearance for $17.50, and I'm hella excited about it. This is the Quo Blending Sponge Blockbuster set. So it has 12 sets, but really you get like 2 in this one and 2 in this one. And 2 in this one? Weird. There's a whole bunch of different kinds. Like, it's a value of $96, it says. So you have some of the under eye ones, you have like a diamond sponge, you have one of the silicone sponge. This one has a sponge on one side and a silicone on the other, if it's one piece. And then again, 2 here. It tells you like all of them on the back. This might still be available. I know like after Christmas it went on clearance and it was still available at the beginning of March. So there might still be some left, but I figured $17.50 for all of these, like, you cannot go wrong. Okay, this was also like a gift with purchase. It's the My Clarins Reboost Refreshing Hydrating Cream. They have a whole new line of this like more affordable Clarins stuff. I don't know, but I'm excited to try it. I decided to repurchase the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara because I really liked this when it first came out, but I found that it dried up way faster than some of my other mascaras. But I haven't used it in a long time, and I thought, you know what, I want to try it again. I'm trying a whole bunch of new mascaras, as you can tell. I've hauled a few here. And yeah, this is in Blackest Black. And then I repurchased my Neutrogena Oil-Free Eye Makeup Remover. This has gotten to the point where this is the only one I purchased, even though I still like lots of other eye makeup removers. This is just the one that is a combination of affordable and works the best and the most gently on my eyes, so I love it. I have 3 things from Pixie, and that'll be the last of Shoppers, and I have a couple things from Sephora. This is the thing I am the most excited about from Pixie. This is the Pixie Skin Treats In Shower Steam Facial. Like, think about those words. In shower, steam facial. Acacia Collagen and Peptides Self-Heating Collagen Mask. It's sealed, so I won't smell it now. Massage onto face, neck, and décolleté. Is that how you say that? To release the heating effect. Leave on during shower and then rinse off. I can't wait to try this. Not really experienced any Pixie eyeshadows, so I thought I would try a palette. This looks so pretty. It's the English Rose palette. There was like an LA one and an England one. It's very much like neutral, so not really something I would gravitate towards, but let's swatch a couple. It opens like this, which is kind of cool. I really hope these are good. I know they just released these pressed glitter palettes as well, and I am very tempted to try, but I don't know. I want to see reviews before I try because they're quite expensive. Okay, it looks promising. I'm not like blown away, but those two are like metallic, and then that one's more of a satin, and then that one on top is more of a satin. The one on top I'm like the least impressed with. Let's watch these three on the bottom because I don't know if they're supposed to be like face products. They're almost too small to be face products, but very large to be eyeshadows. Those look really pretty. I have a feeling those are supposed to be blushes. I don't know. Blossom, Gilded, Rosy. It doesn't really say. Anyway, I'll play with this. Let me know if you would want to see this in a video on its own or not. And then the last thing was this. This is one of the liquid fairy lights in Pixie Green, and I wanted this one because this is unlike any liquid eyeshadow that I've seen yet. Even Stila doesn't really have green ones, and I was like, okay, Pixie, that's very unique and I would like to try it out. So it's not, you know how the Stila ones kind of have a base that's fully opaque? This one is more like sheer base, and then it's got glitter in it. So it's definitely more of a topper than a singular eyeshadow, but that's really heavily built up. Look how pretty. I'm very excited to try that. Look at it in the package. That's so gorgeous. I ordered twice online from Sephora, so I was able to get 2 separate gift with purchases, which is really nice. This one is exciting because I really wanted to try this. This is a Caudalie Vino Perfect brightening glycolic night cream. I'm like so excited. I'm swallowing my words. A glycolic night cream. So it's a pretty big sample size. It's 0.5 ounces. Yeah, 0.5 ounces. So I want to try that out and see. This one is kind of laughable. This is a sample of the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. I saw a picture of this online, somebody had posted. It's literally the size of a quarter. So I don't know how I'm supposed to use this little tiny powder and get this on my face with a brush because it's the tiniest little package. I might try it under my eyes because I can get that size brush in here. I don't know. It is so tiny though, but whatever. It's a free thing. Okay, so both of these are what I ordered. This is the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleanser. I got the full big one because I used up the travel size. I liked it a lot. I will say though, because it's an alcohol-based cleanser, it does dry out natural bristle brushes. I like it a lot. It's super convenient. But yeah, I've noticed on my more natural bristle brushes, they have splayed out a little bit more. They're definitely not as soft. The ones that are not as good quality. So like my Morphe brushes are taking a bit of a harder hit from this than my matte brushes, if that makes sense. But I still want this like for synthetic brushes. I think it's really, really good. And then this, I had purchased the Summer Fridays pumpkin mask and I used it and I really like it. This I got a sample of first and I was like, I'm not gonna like it. And I used it twice. I had enough in that sample to use it twice. And I have never used a skin product before in my life that I have seen better results from immediately than this. So in other words, I tried this, my skin looked amazing the first time I used it. Tried it again a couple days later, my skin looked amazing and felt amazing too, which is really important. So this is the Summer Fridays R&R Mask Glow. This one is the one that has rose in it, I believe. This says this mask is like giving your skin a big bouquet of all your favorite facial oils wrapped up in a glow buffing bow. So what this is it has an exfoliating component in it. You put it on your face and you leave it there for a while, 10 minutes, and then you buff it in, you exfoliate, and you don't wash it off. And I even looked up the instructions just to make sure. You just wipe it off. Now I sometimes add a little bit of water just to kind of get everything excess off, but it has facial oils in it so that when you wipe it off, you still have this like beautiful feeling oil left behind on your skin, and it just hydrates and it moisturizes and it feels so incredibly good. So after using the sample twice, I had to do it. Like I couldn't not. This is just the best skin product I've ever tried, basically. And my skin looked so good. Not only did it feel good, it looked amazing. So I've been telling all my friends, and now I'm telling my friends here. There you go. When I returned the Fenty highlighter, I was like, oh, I'll just look around. And I don't know why, I think I even anti-hauled these at one point, but I thought, I kind of want to try this for you guys and see like if it's good. Because I see this all over Instagram. We all know people want Huda Beauty to repost their stuff. So we see this everywhere, but I'm like, will it actually blend? And that's what I want to know. This is the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadows. So they're liquid eyeshadows. And I always see people use the side that's matte and then blend it out with a brush. And I'm like, how good does that really look in real life? And then this side is the metal, which is basically like, you know, shimmery eyeshadow that kind of goes all over the lid. So it's supposed to be like a really easy 2-in-1. But I just don't know. Like, I almost want to do a video like, will it blend? And see. We'll see if I get around to it. This is in the shade Silk Bomber. And then I guess each side has a name. So Silk Bomber, and this side is called Bubblegum. I don't know, do you guys want a dedicated video to that, or would you just like to see it like in a get ready with me or first impression? Because I have limited videos. I know, I wish I could do 5 a week, but I have limited time, and I really, VIB is coming up, and I really want to do some VIB videos for you guys. So we'll see what I get to do in March, but I wanted to try it and see. So that's it for this haul. I hope that you really enjoyed, and I'm excited to use a lot of these products. Let me know what you want to see in what type of video, and I'll try my best to do it for you. But that's it for today. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. I hope that you're speaking kindly to yourself, especially when you look in the mirror. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.